What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Costco with another great video. Friday, May 2nd, and we do have an exciting video today. We have Costco Clearance Fridays, but before we begin the video, we do need to announce the giveaway. Congratulations, and I do want to thank everyone who did take the time to enter the giveaway. Starting the video off, in the number 1 spot, we have the Sony Bravia 7s. This is the mini LED TV, and the picture quality is amazing. Very bright TV, perfect for those of you who have bright living rooms. You can pop this right in there. Check out that price, pretty amazing. Now, it does come with the All-State Protection Plan, so that means you get 5 years of total coverage, which is great. It also has a 2-year Sony Pictures Core streaming, and they also include 15 streaming credits. You can pick up this TV for $99.97. And we've seen plenty of TVs on clearance already, but let's check out this 85-inch Bravia 3 Series. This is from... And we've definitely seen the Sony Bravia 3 Series on my channel a few times. Now, this TV does not include the 5-year protection plan, but you do get 3 years from Sony, and you also get 2 years of Sony streaming service, but the price is not bad at all. Check out that price, $399.97. And I know some of you thinking 55 inches is way too small, but don't worry, I have you covered. We have the 85-inch Bravia 3 Series, but check out that price, pretty awesome. It does come with a 3-year warranty and 2 years of Sony streaming service for $99.97, delivered right to your front door, but setup and installation is not included. And we also have the LG 75-inch QNED 90 series. Now, this TV is pretty awesome, has the mini LEDs on it, LCD TV. It does include the 5 years of total coverage. You get 3 years from Allstate. Pretty awesome little bundle package. Now, also included is the Magic Remote, and it has Wi-Fi 6E. Everyone loves that. Has the quantum dot technology, $899.97. Also, if you are going to buy a new TV, make sure you watch my video that I made, the top 20 best TVs here at Costco. It's a great guide if you're unsure which TV to buy. Also from LG, we do have their 70-inch UT8000 series, their 4K smart TV. Now, this TV is only 60 Hz, but that's okay. It does come with a 3-year warranty, an AI processor, and it also has the Magic Remote, $349.97 on clearance. And our first OLED TV available on clearance, also from LG, we're looking at their B3 series, their 4K OLED TV. Now, even though this OLED TV is a entry-level OLED TV, it still outperforms pretty much all those other TVs that we've seen. It's priced at $799.97, 120 Hz refresh rate, has that NVIDIA G-Sync. It's also Wi-Fi 6. You get the Magic Remote, and check out that AI processor. $799.97. This one's going to sell out super fast. And moving on, friends, to the number 7 spot, we do have the Lenovo IdeaPad, their 14-inch touchscreen laptop. Now, this does have the Snapdragon X Plus, has an OLED display, which is pretty awesome, 1920 by 1200, and it does have the Windows 11, has 16 gigs of RAM with a 1 terabyte hard drive. We can see here it's on clearance at my local warehouse for $599.99. And it's definitely a sweet laptop for the price. Has Wi-Fi 7, has a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint reader, and it comes with a digital pen too. In the number 8 spot, right in front of us, we have the Nintendo Switch OLED bundle set on clearance. So what exactly do we get with this bundle set? We get the Nintendo Switch, the OLED model, obviously, a 256 gig micro SD card, a 1-year online membership from Nintendo, a power protection case, and a screen protector. All this included in the bundle set. Now, keep in mind, friends, the new Nintendo Switch model does come out June 5th this year, the Nintendo Switch 2. So you may want to wait on this Nintendo Switch, even though it's an amazing price at $299.97. These are going to be available on Marketplace, a dime a dozen, even though they're going to be used. In the number 9 spot, a great soundbar from Sony. We have their HT-A5000. This is their 5.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar. It sounds fantastic, it looks fantastic, and it has excellent reviews. Great looking soundbar. Now this soundbar has that Dolby Atmos, which I love. Now check out that price. I did show this soundbar in my Costco discontinued deal video. So if you saw that, I would have mentioned there in that video that this product would go on clearance, and here it is. It finally is. A great price at $499.97. Now, if you do have a lot of inventory like I do at my local warehouse, you may want to wait till it drops a lot more. I'm hoping it drops down to about $299.97. In the number 10 spot, we have the Shark Wand-Vac. This is their Power Pet cord-free handheld vacuum. Now, it has Power Pet in the title, but you don't have to own pets in order to own this vacuum. It's very powerful, and it has a boost mode for tough messes. Great vacuum, only weighs 1.5 pounds, so it's super lightweight, very easy to use. It comes with 2 cleaning tool attachments, a charging dock, and a storage case. Awesome vacuum for $49.97. That's 50% less than the original price. And to my right, in the number 11 spot, another great product from Shark. We're looking at their Matrix Plus. Now, they did come out with a new model that's also available at the warehouse. This one right in front of us, this is the previous model. Now, it does have that self-empty base, 30-day capacity, great vacuum, great reviews. A lot of people love this robot vacuum. Now, keep in mind, friends, the new vacuum is currently out. So this one's on clearance for $199.97, but people are still buying it, and it's selling out very fast. Now check out this awesome return cart right in front of us. So many different little clearance products we see here. We get the pizza crisps on clearance, $6 special. Some sleds that were brought back, pretty awesome. Now you do run into these little return carts or return pallets every so often if you do head to the warehouse in the morning, but these sell super fast. Everybody buys them up very, very quickly. A bunch of little variety things. Now we have the snow sled, $7 on clearance, awesome price. I should have bought that, but I buy a lot already, so I don't know. I keep on buying stuff and returning it because half the stuff I buy I don't even need. It's just one of these things that comes along with making these Costco videos. I run into so many great deals here at the warehouse. I start buying them and then I start returning them, and then everybody knows me as the guy who's always returning stuff. In the number 13 spot from Dash, we have their ultimate egg cooker. They did cut the price once again. Here we have a half a pallet left. Still a good amount of inventory. It is selling, but not that quickly. Now the price is pretty decent at $9.97, but one of my viewers did mention the last time I showed this, maybe a reason why it's not selling so great is because it's not BPA free. Who doesn't make BPA free products in 2025? I don't know why Dash would do that, but that could be one of the reasons why it's not selling very quickly. $9.97, not bad, but I would like to see $4.97. And since Steve won the giveaway, what do we got to do next? Let's congratulate Steve. But also, we need to have another giveaway, so why not? I'm thinking I should grab that Shark Wand-Vac since it is 50% off. I think it would be a great clearance product. Now, even though I do these giveaways, I'm pretty sure if you don't want the product and you win, you can just go right to Costco and return it. Here we have the Fortessa Jupiter Bowls. Check out that price drop. Last week we saw it at $9.97. Right in front of us, $6.97. So if you want me to do the Shark Wand-Vac as a giveaway, it only weighs 1.5 pounds. Pretty nice looking product, or a pretty fun product to have around the household. Leave a comment below, Shark Wand-Vac. And also, don't forget to congratulate Steve for winning the giveaway. And we've seen this cat jump starter plenty of times on clearance, $99.97, and it still hasn't dropped. Now they do have the new model out right in front of us. Look how many already sold. Half the pallet gone. It's not even on sale. It's a lot more powerful. It looks better. In my opinion, a lot better. And I do like this model. And check out that price, the same price at $99.99. And I don't know why I keep on saying check it out, check it out. Obviously, you're going to check it out. We're watching the video, right? Now check out this number 16 spot. We have a manager special at my local warehouse, $40 even for the Campbell air compressor. Pretty awesome price. Now, how do we know it's a manager special? Because it ends in a 00. Not because it's handwritten, because it ends in a 00. If it ends in a 00, whether it's handwritten or printed, that's a manager special only to your local warehouse, not other warehouses, to your specific warehouse. In the number 17 spot from Intense, we have their 951 lightweight carbon gravel bike. Now this bike is super fast whether you hit the road or whether you hit the single tracks. If you love fast flowy single tracks and you want to rip through them, you're going to love this bike. The only problem is they only have a size small available. So if you can fit into a size small, you're super lucky. Now this bike is great if you want to stay active, if you want to cycle cross, or maybe you just want to hit the trails or you want to hit the road. You can do it all with this bike. Don't just buy a mountain bike because it looks cool. Make sure you do buy the right bike, and this is a great one. $1,999.97. In the number 18 spot, we have the Whey Protein Fruity Pebbles. 3.3 pounds of Fruity Pebble protein. Doesn't sound appealing at all. If you do like this, leave a comment below. I'd like to know. But anyways, I'm here to show you the deals, not to judge. $48.97, 120 calories, 25 grams of protein, and 5.5 grams of BCAAs. In the number 19 spot, we have the Kohler Prone right in front of us. This is their 3-in-1 multifunction shower head, and it does come with the power sweep. So this shower head, what do you get exactly? You get the hand shower. You can see there holding that in the picture, and it also comes with the shower head. You get them both. It's a combination package. Now they also have the Kohler hand shower that can act as a shower head on sale from Costco's coupon book. This one is a combination package, so you get them both. So this one right in front of us is on clearance. This is the Prone for $59.97. And we also came across the floor jacks on clearance here at Costco. We have the 3-ton floor jacks. Now these jacks are low profile jacks, so if you have a car that's low to the ground, this is great to pick up. If your car is not too low to the ground, if you get a truck, you may have to put a block to lift it up even further. Now this is great whether you want to change your oil or you want to change your tires. A great product to own around your household. Now these come in red only. It's a high gloss red. They look great. Great design, low profile, definitely great. The quality is better than Harbor Freight in my opinion. Now these floor jacks, we have a manager special at my local warehouse. How do we know? Because it ends in 00. Great price, $90. In the number 21 spot from Kohler, we have their Pro Function Sink Kit. Now, if you look at the sink, the faucet, you can see how the faucet tapers a little bit. So what do you get in this sink kit? You get the sink, obviously, you get the faucet, and a couple other accessories. But look at that price, $149.97. That's an amazing, amazing price, an absolute steal. The original price was $399. Look at it now, amazing. It's gonna sell lightning fast. Now, if you are remodeling your kitchen like I am, this is an absolute steal. Definitely pick it up. But the Costco just released the new model. Now look at this new model. Look at the base, completely different. It looks a lot better in my opinion, a little bit more beefier, and I like that. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like better. In the number 22 spot, from Gorilla, we have their 150-foot hose reel. Now I did screw up this segment of the video because I filmed the wrong product. I'm not too sure what I was thinking, but anyways, friends, look at that clearance price for the hose reel, $79.97 on clearance. And finally, in the number 23 spot, we finally see the Blackstone 6-piece griddle toolkit go on clearance. I've been waiting for this to go on clearance for such a long time, not because I want it or because I want to buy it. I was just curious because it's been marked discontinued for such a long time. I actually already own it. I bought it at full price. It's still a steal at full price. Now, the lowest I've seen this was about $15 on, I think, Father's Day maybe. But here it is, $16.97 on clearance. And if you're a fan of Rio, heading back over to Costco online, we have the Jumbo Fleece Padded Comfort Chair. Now this does have a steel frame with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, extra stuffing for more padding and more comfort. Great price. Look at this clearance price, $49.97, shipped right to your front door. Fantastic price coming from Rio. This is a clearance product. How do we know? Because it ends in 97. In the number 25 spot, another great price drop on the planters, another 33% off. This is such a great price drop. These look amazing. I love the color. Now, if you do want to use these, I would plant the new patio hydrangeas in them. Those would be awesome. Fill them up with some potting mix and add the hydrangeas right in them. It would look amazing to add on your patio or even your front steps. These are handmade glazed planters and they look amazing. I like the darker blue a little bit better, but at this price, I'm not going to complain at all. $19.97. I am going to wait till it drops down to $10. If you have a lot of inventory like I do, definitely wait. And if you watch my Costco discontinued deal videos, you would see that I did show these ribbons as well. Now these have been marked on clearance. Check out that price once again. $4.97. You do get 50 yards. Amazing price. Definitely grab these before they do sell out very, very quickly. We also have the wrapping paper that has been marked on clearance. If you want to roll the dice and you want to gamble, definitely wait till these drop a little bit more in price, and you can score a great deal. We have the 3-pack of wrapping paper. All these colors are great. Doesn't matter what year it is. Grab this at this price point, or you can wait a little bit more till it drops more. $9.97. In the number 28 spot, we have some inventory from last year set up here at Costco. We have the older model of the Tobin kayak. This one's a 2-person or a single-person kayak. The new one is 12 feet. This one's 10 feet in length, and it does have a much greater weight capacity. This one, I believe, is 440 pounds. The new model that's 12 feet long is 355 pounds, I believe. But look at that price. It's a manager special. Last one left at $110 even. Even the clearance price is pretty amazing. Great buy at my local warehouse. And for our Apple fans, we have the iPad 10th generation, 256 gig, $349.97 on clearance. Let's not forget about the Apple keyboard. We have that as well, just in case you want to pick it up. That one's $199.97, right above the Apple iPad Air. Let's check out that price. The 11-inch keyboard, $199.97. Great prices. Make sure next time you come to Costco, if you love Apple products, take a walk through, see if there's anything you like, because we do have a lot of clearance when it comes to Apple products. All of the Apple Watches are currently on sale as well. Next, we do have the AirPods on clearance for $99.97. These are the Apple AirPods, the 3rd generation, on clearance. Once again, $99.97. Fantastic price. Or maybe you're just looking for a new laptop from Apple. Definitely take a quick peek when you come to the warehouse. We have the Apple Air 15-inch laptop, the 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs solid-state hard drive, $899.97. We also have another one available just down the other side of this cabinet or display, $849.97. That's for the Air 13-inch, 16 gigs of RAM with a 256 gig solid-state hard drive. Now, I know some of you may not have the Apple iPad available at your local Costco. It may be sold out, the 256 gig 10th generation. So you can always head over to Costco.com and pick it up there. We have the silver and we have the blue available, $349.97 on clearance. So we also have the 13-inch Apple iPad Air, 512 gigs with the M3 chip in it. Very nice Apple iPad Air. It's quite expensive, but it's on clearance for $99.97, available at Costco.com. In the number 34 spot, I never forget about our furry friends, our fur babies. We have the dog toys available from Clean Earth. Now, these do come in a 4-pack. We get 4 little cute little toys. Now, these are a great price point. If you do want to pick them up and you have them at your local warehouse, it's such a great buy. So definitely pick them up. Make your fur babies smile. This is a great gift for anybody who has dogs as well. Only $12.97. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you head over to the comments section and congratulate Steve for winning the giveaway. Go, Steve. Also, I was thinking about doing another giveaway and buying the Shark One Vac. If you like that idea, leave a comment below. Super cool vacuum, great reviews, and it's 50% off. The original value was like $100, so for $50, why not? That's a great giveaway, I think. So let me know in the comments section. Also, Costco has just released another Hot Buys that's going to be available tomorrow morning. So I do have to head to the warehouse very, very early because it's going to be a madhouse. They just released it. They just released one a couple of days ago and now another one. I don't think I've ever seen 2 Hot Buys going on at the same exact time. Pretty interesting. But I am going to leave a link for the new Hot Buys in the comments section, just in case you want to click that link, look at the new Hot Buys, or actually I'll do it tomorrow, so that way you have to watch tomorrow's video. Sorry, friends, I got to get a little creative. So make sure you tune in tomorrow's video, watch my Costco's Hot Buys, congratulate Steve. Obviously, if you want to support me, hit the thumbs up button. You don't have to, but if you do, I'll be very happy. Also, I want everybody to have a wonderful weekend. If I'm talking too much right now, just let me know in the comments section. Hey, you're talking way too much. End the video, and I'll do that. Okay, friends, have a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.